Dr. Mr. Musa Dambili. So I would like you to address us for 3 minutes, sir.
Good evening, um, ladies and gentlemen. I want to thank you for me that opportunity to be part of this tonight's event. Questions that you may not find answers to textbooks or even in clinical practice. And that is exactly why we are here today, to clarify this doubt, dispel misconception, and provide you with the solid foundation you need to confidently navigate your professional path. So, in essence, radiography is not just a profession of taking images, it's a science and art, combining precise technology, putting to that, playing a pivotal role in ensuring that healthcare and well-being of our communities. So it's understandable that questions like this arise. For example, what exactly does radiographers do beyond handling equipment? What are the diverse specialties in radiography, and how can I carve out my niche or a niche for myself? What role do radiographers play in multidisciplinary healthcare team? And what are questions you may be grappling with? And today's session, just like Mr. Lainka just made from our presentation, it's just designed to give you this clarity and direction. So, and the world of radiography is rapidly evolving with advances in technology, artificial intelligence, therapy radiography, nuclear medicine, which is changing the landscape. So we need to understand place in this future and how you can contribute to its key. So as we embark on this journey, I think that it's better you convey this message to your colleagues and let them know that uh, scenarios like this plays out to guide, and most importantly, to envision the impact you can make with this dynamic field of radiography. It's endless possibilities. And this curiosity definitely will always propel you to move forward. So once again, I want to um, congratulate those of you who are here because I'm seeing so many senior seasoned radiographers in Nigeria. And they are not only seasoned radiographers in Nigeria, they are radiographers who um, have they've circumambulated around the corners and shores of this world. So once again, thank you everybody for giving me this opportunity. We look forward to having more of this kind of gatherings so that we can dispel the ambiguous ask questions in radiography profession. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thanks so much, Dr. Dambili, for sharing your knowledge with us. So over to Dr. Abonyi, sir. Kindly address us for 3 minutes, sir.
Hello, good evening, everyone. My very senior colleagues, the colleagues and the assembly we are discussing with. I've been informed I need to talk to our younger ones a little bit on the profession of radiography. And I commend Mrs. Olainka for her inputs and impactful career success so far. So it's a pleasure, as I said earlier. The profession, I always say it, is the bride of medicine, is the bride of medical practice. And that's why the symbol of their profession is Eye of Medicine. What I'm saying is that the profession is one that can be described as the most dynamic profession. Revolutionary, changing day by day, propelled by technology and innovation, and is on the move. And that's why we advise the younger ones that you must declare yourself a perpetual student of life and a perpetual student of your profession, so that at any point in time, you are abreast of the changes and you're adapting to the changes and you apply to the changes for the best of humanity. So, 1991. So, what am I saying? Since that time, universities have continued, the number of universities offering the program has continued to increase. And now, the rate is at alarming speed, but is very welcome, very welcome. So now the emphasis is on how to train the best of hands in radiography that are competent to practice in every part of the globe. I, for one, is not opposed to Japanism or thereabouts, because if we can export it, I can export radiographers to the world, then we're offering something. Provided the people are focused, provided the people are well trained, provided the people are very proficient and competent to defend the profession and to stand for the nation Nigeria, no matter the challenges we have. So the mission now, which we encourage each other and thank those who are in the train of training the younger ones. The mission is to train and mentor and bring up very responsible, proficient, competent radiographers who are vast in knowledge and intimidating in their ability to deliver on temps, such that they will stand out anywhere, so that we should not be found wanting in anywhere we are practicing. And of course, serving humanity is the greatest achievement in life of any human being. Serving humanity is the greatest achievement. So we encourage you, and we are ready to be called upon anytime, anywhere, to do the needful that is geared towards improving the profession, image of the profession, the impact of the profession, the contribution of the profession to the practice of medicine and health of nations. I say nations now because the target is no longer only Nigeria, but virtually any part of the globe. As we can see, our people are plying their trade. So thank you once more. If there are questions or issues, I'm available to offer more insights. God bless you all.
Amen, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
For ARN conference, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, is another opportunity for all of us to come together, where you're going to interface with people, you're going to interface with directors, you're going to interface with CEOs, you're going to interface with head of departments from different universities, you're going to interface with a lot of students from different universities, you're going to interface with radiographers, both within and in diaspora. You're going to experience scientific presentations, and there are going to be some workshops. So it's going to be an avenue for you to go away from the four walls of your area of domain. You need to extend your tentacles to other areas so that you can experience life outside your primary state of residence. So the conference is going to be from 19 to 23 of November 2024. And it promises to be exciting. It's going to be ecstatic, and you're going to find it worthy for the money you are going to. For you as students, it's just chicken change. For students, it's just 15,000 naira. That you are going to, with packages you are going to get will be more than 40,000, 50,000. But because you are student and we hold you, students are very dear to us, we're inviting you to come in numbers. We're going to make provisions for you as students. So come around, bring out some of your innovative ideas into the conference. We know you are a student, you current student, you are digital student. So bring in those ideas, bring in those innovations. Some of you should come and present papers. Some of us were trained to present papers at the conference as students. So we want you to come over and present papers during the conference. As you embark on this journey, I wish you guys journey mercies, and we want to see more of you around. I've seen so many of you who have registered for the conference already. Avail yourself the opportunity by telling your friends that this is a conference to be, and that it's going to be a conference that will be forever in your record of good book. So please inform others, let them be part of this conference. It's going to be exciting. It's going to be history making. It's going to be one of the best in the history of the Association of Radiographers. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you so much, Mr. President. Thank you very much. And
I'm Abdul Imam Hassan from Bayero University. So level 2 medical radiography student. I just want to appreciate you for the enlightenment. Like, I've really gained enough. You've taught us about, you've told us about the importance of medical radiography, the applications, the best way to study, the fundamentals we should know, and everything. I really, really appreciate that. And to my HOD, my mentor, that's Dr. Musa Dembele, I really, really appreciate. And to the senior colleagues here, thank you, everyone. I've gained a lot today that I can't even express myself.
Okay, Paul Phillips, a medical student of radiographer from School of Unica, University of Calabar. So, I'm really so grateful. I'm so happy. I'm so overwhelmed for this platform, for this opportunity to give us the words of encouragement and some things, mm, some things for us to know and to do at the right time, and steps we have to follow to achieve a greater height in this field of called the eye of medicine. I'm so thankful and so appreciative of what our school police are doing and what also our lecturers are also trying to bring the upcoming photographers into the new system on board. I'm so happy even for what two of our lecturers have also shared ideas on certain things, even the one that Dr. Abue enlightened. Really, what is really enlightening me and awakening my spirit today. I'm so happy and I'm so thankful. Thank you, Ma, so much. And thank you to us, your beliefs. Thank you so much.